How to install Cloud on your Chrome. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device. Then search Chrome Web Store. Then click on Chrome Web Store. After you're in the Chrome Web Store, click on the search bar at the top and search Claude AI. You'll find Cloud. Click on it. Then click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension. After you've clicked on Add Extension, it will download. After it's downloaded, now to add it, at the top right, click on the puzzle-like icon at the top right corner of your screen. There you'll find Cloud. After it's downloaded, click on the pin icon. And after you do that, as you can see, it has been pinned. Now when you click on it, it will show you everything. But before that, make sure you're logged in to your account or create an account if you don't have one. And after you do that, you're good to go. This is how to install Cloud for your Chrome. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.